Finally, iQOO Neo 9 series launched in China today. iQOO launched iQOO Neo 9 and iQOO Neo 9 Pro. So first and first talk about the box content. So in the box content you can get some paperwork, one USB Type-C cable, 120-watt fast charger, one beautiful cases and our smartphone. And as you can see that both phones come with similar design. Both phones come with 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution OLED flat display with 80 LTPO 144Hz refresh rate display with 3000 nits peak brightness. Both phones also come with dual camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor with Sony IMX920 plus OIS, but the difference is the ultra wide. iQOO 9 come with 8 megapixel ultra wide, and on the other hand iQOO 9 Pro come with 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 ultra wide sensor. Both phones also come with 16 megapixel single selfie camera. iQOO 9 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC and iQOO 9 Pro come with Dimensity 9300 SoC. And this is the iQOO 9 Pro Android score, which is very impressive. And Geekbench is the single core score is 2293 and multi-core score is 7623. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with OriginOS 4.0. And both phones also come with 5160 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charger. Both phones also come with beautiful three color, black, blue and red color. So let me know in the comment section below which color you like it. And both phones also come with stereo speaker, in-display fingerprint scanner and IP64 rating. iQOO Neo 9 starting price is 2299 RMB. iQOO Q9 Pro starting price is 2999 RMB. So that's for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.